Hi, this is Chelsey Lambert with Legal Tech Media Group and Lex Tech Review, covering the ILTACON StartUp Hub, here with Jennifer from Connective Counsel.
Hi there.
I'm very excited because I saw you, like 6 months ago, I think, and you learned about the product and got a demo, and I'm so excited to see you here, and I want to hear all about how it's been. So what motivated you to apply for the Startup Hub? And then two, we had the welcome reception last night, so we're full on in conference mode.
Absolutely.
How's it been?
So in terms of what motivated us to apply for Startup Hub, ILTACON premier event for technologists in the legal industry, and Connective Counsel and our new platform Connectivity, we are providing a really cutting edge, innovative, beautiful space for clients and lawyers to collaborate and strengthen that attorney-client relationship. It's a brandable, white labelable platform, and so we knew that with all the security features that we have and the robustness of our platform, that we needed to be here at ILTA talking to the leading technologists in law firms around the world.
Absolutely, you're in the epicenter of cutting edge legal technology. You're right in the sweet spot with your target market. Having those conversations, how has that really it made you feel and energize your passion around the product? Because we do so much work in our offices, and then this is the time where we get to get out and meet with not just one or two people, but hundreds over the course of a few days.
Absolutely. So last night it was amazing to really have a lot of conversations with lawyers from different size firms. I mean, I spoke with a gentleman who's the CEO and then his managing partner of a firm, 7 lawyers doing really complex business work, and they were really interested in our product, as was people from big law firms like K&L, Gates, and Dentons, and had really interesting conversations about what they see and what's driving them in making their business decisions in terms of what technology they adopt. So those conversations that we're having last night were just really impressive, and just excited to continue that over the course of the next 2.5 days.
Yeah, today's the full first day, and the opportunity for you to also demo live. I've seen a demo of Connectivity, and it's a really incredible product, not just because of the connection that it makes between clients and the law firms, but how much efficiency you have been able to build by really simplifying things like contracts or agreements. And I could go on and on about the product for about a half hour. We don't have that much time today, but being able to demo and show it live, and also the fact that now things like client experience and communication and streamlining that process are moving up market into the mid-sized and larger firms is incredibly exciting. And the ability for them to white label too. So has that been the feedback that you're seeing also, that you're seeing growth in this particular segment of the space?
Absolutely. So one of the things that really drove us in making decisions around Connectivity and our dashboards in particular, which is I think what you were partly alluding to, was that clients really need more information and understanding at their fingertips. And that ranges from those small solos up to those big firms. And so that literally had that conversation with someone yesterday night, standing there saying, I want my associates to be able to upload, I want to see what they're doing, I want my clients to see what we're doing every day. And I said, well, you really need to see what we have here. And he was just blown away and said, I'm coming back tomorrow and we're going to talk more.
Oh, that's amazing. Yeah, and the validation of the product and how much you've poured into it. I mean, it was run inside of a firm before it actually made its way out to the marketplace, which has a lot to do with the success when it actually goes out and is sold. So a couple of just quick questions. So can you give our audience just an overview at a high level of really what Connectivity does for law firms and their clients?
Absolutely. So Connectivity is, as we've mentioned, it's a white labelable platform. It's a dynamic client service solution. So it has a white labelable mobile app. So that's an iOS app that clients will have with your firm logo on the platform. There is a responsive website for clients who are more desk bound or who just have people who are working in the office who need to be on the system as well. And then there's a cloud-based attorney platform, and we do integrate with WorldOx, which we announced yesterday.
Congratulations.
And then, thank you very much. And with LawPay for payment processing. So we have a couple of really exciting partnerships that we're launching with and exploring. And so what it really does, though, for law firms is it brings that client closer to you. You're much more sticky, you in marketing speak, because you have that logo on the phone, you have that connection on a daily basis. You have that screen presence, as we say, on the phone, where people are spending 2, 4, 6, 8 hours a day on their phones. So it's really critical that you have that mobile app. And then for the client, why they want to use it is we do 3 things. One, we improve business processes. You mentioned the smart contracting platform that really simplifies and condenses the contracting process, dashboards to tell you if contracts have been signed or unsigned, really making that easier on the client. We have our insight in terms of our dashboards into matters along with our calendar, and then we have the table stakes document access, and we have closing binders that are built into that as well. So it's a really robust platform that lets you reach a really large audiences of clients, and everything can be turned on or off based on that particular client's need or your firm's need.
Yeah, building incredible transparency for the client and the firm as well from a management perspective. So if you have not seen it, I do recommend that you swing by, check it out, or where can they find you online?
So visit us online at connectivecounsel.com. You can book a demo straight from our website. You can also follow us on LinkedIn and Twitter, Connective Couns, COUNS, and we'd love to hear from you.
Awesome. Jennifer, thank you so much. It was
Thank
such
you.
a pleasure
Good to see you.
Yes.